Welcome to our exciting video where we unveil 3 game-changing apps that can help you earn a steady stream of passive income online. In today's digital age, the possibilities for financial growth are endless, and we're here to guide you through these 3 remarkable platforms that have the potential to boost your income while you sit back and relax. So, if you're ready to explore innovative ways to make money without breaking a sweat, stay tuned as we reveal these legit apps that are changing the game of passive income in the online world. The first app on our list can make you $90 a month, the second can make you $180 a month, and the third can make you $600 a month. Number 1, Pwns app. Our first app. You can see how much you can expect to earn in pure passive income by sharing your internet on this app by scrolling down a little. If you have one IP address, you can earn up to $96. If you have 10 IP addresses, you can earn up to $96 a month. You can also earn $32 a month if you let this app run for 8 hours, and you can earn up to $96 a month if you let your internet connection run for 24 hours. This app is available for any device that runs on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, or Linux. The only thing you need to remember is to keep your internet on so that you can share more data with this app and earn more money with it. This app is called Pwns app, but you don't actually need to use it continuously for 24 hours to earn passive income. Instead, you can leave it running in the background. Pwns app is accessible in the majority of nations worldwide. The Pwns app is built on 3 core pillars: security, safety, and privacy. You don't have to worry about losing your personal information or anything of the sort, and the good news is that you only need $5 to withdraw your earnings from this app. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or through a variety of virtual gift cards that are available on the Pwns app. You can use this app on your computer or install it on your mobile device. It has 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot, so you can trust it. Big companies like Fox Market Watch, etc. Now that I've completed a few easy surveys on the Pwns app, I'm going to play the live withdrawal proof part from it by logging into my account. As you can see, I've earned $60. To withdraw this amount, all I have to do is click the Request Payout button right here. From there, I can choose my country and any of the available payment methods. I can then use my Bitcoin wallet or my Pile account to receive the withdrawal, or I can use one of the various gift cards that are available, such as Visa, Amazon, and so on. Number 2, Honeygain.com. Let's move on to the second program on our list, where you can simply share your idle internet bandwidth to make passive revenue. This app is available worldwide, so you can use it from anywhere in the world and start earning some passive income online. It has over 10,000 reviews and 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot. Here, you can estimate your earnings, so if you let it run for 24 hours, you can earn over $180 a month. You can read more information on the app's official website. With the use of this program, which is called Honeygain.com, you may always know exactly what is being used on your internet. One of the greatest apps for making passive money by sharing your unused internet data is called Honeygain, and it has received 4.5 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot from over 10,000 users worldwide. You can trust this app right now to start making money. To get started, click the download button and create an account on Honeygain. And choose which device to connect to Honeygain and share your internet data from. For laptop users, this means selecting Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Android. For mobile users, this means selecting iOS or Android. After selecting your device, a file will be downloaded to your device, which you can install, then log in with your Honeygain credentials to begin earning passive income based on how much data you share and how many IP addresses you connect. Number 3, Repocket.co. Repocket.co is the third app on our list. With Repocket.co you can get paid for sharing your unused internet data, and as you can see, it has a 4.3-star rating on Trustpilot, indicating its reliability. Additionally, you can estimate your earnings on the Repocket app, meaning that if you use one device to share the internet you can earn $60 per month, and if you use 10 devices, you can earn $600 per month, which is really awesome. Additionally, repositories are accessible globally, and you may make money by sharing your internet data from any location. Reports can be seen on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux. The good thing about this app is that you can earn $5 for each referral once your referral completes their first withdrawal. This means that if you refer someone and they earn on Repocket.co and complete their first withdrawal, you will receive $5 for free. Once the app is installed, you can leave it running in the background to continue earning passive income online. Additionally, you will receive a $5 sign-up bonus for creating an account on Repocket.co. $20 is the minimum amount you must make in order to withdraw your profits. That's it for the video. If you want to watch more money making videos, then please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more such content.